Hello everybody and welcome to your own YouTube channel, The PaveCraft. I'm Alirza Alavi, your instructor, and I'm here to start a new session on using Google Earth as an expert for our hydrological decisions.
First of all, we should consider the best location for our culverts. Secondly, we find different waterways which are flow on our culverts locations. By doing this, if it rains, we can see which direction the runoff will flow. And you can see different waterways in different side of my plans on Google Earth. It is important to note that roads act as a barrier and there is no way for water to pass through it. So I limited my hydrological areas by considering the roads as barriers for passing through water.
Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start looking as a lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the
As you can see, I lost some runoff direction and I pushed bottom the right side of my mouse to remove my previous choice. If you see the wider perspective of your area, you can find that some of these channels coverage and generate a more intensive flow. So it is important to consider all of these channels which are flowed from different resources and different ways.
Your eyes. Lights stay flicker and the candles glitter like you're in a thriller. Heart goes pound, pound, pound. Ghostly figures, they can get so bitter. Show you want to until you can turn back. You don't know where I've been, what's going on inside. to come alive, come alive. Do you really wanna know me? I'm really not that cozy. It's up to you, so you decide, you decide. Would you love me up my worst till the coffin's in the dirt? Try to break me like a curse, you know that will never work. I'm a little bit absurd, I like dancing on the verge. Anyone can love a pretty little mansion, but could you love a haunted, haunted house? Or could you love me now? A haunted, haunted, I'm a haunted house. A haunted, haunted house. If you're too scared, get out. A haunted, haunted, I'm a Saber blade. Seek the light in darkness.
Sometimes that without the slope of the channels, we should draw a path alongside our channels, and after that push bottom the right side of our mouse and click on elevation of our path. After choosing the show elevation profile of our path, we can find different elevations alongside our waterways, so we can continue our designing and be aware about the slope of our waterways. You may ask me that why you don't consider this area for our hydrological area. It is important to consider the available road here acts as a barrier for our hydrological area, and they don't let water to flow through them. So they push the water flows to the other side of the roads. And as you can see, I show the road paths to make the other users of the Google Earth away from my decisions.
Thanks for watching this video until the end. Please subscribe our channel, like our videos, and make us informed about your ideas for our future videos. Thank you so much. Have a good time.